Hi viewers, this is Shaheen. Welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss about matrices. Okay. So first definition, matrix. Matrix means an ordered rectangular array of elements is called a matrix. This matrix is in this matrix whose elements are real or complex numbers or real or complex valued functions like 1 2 3 next small letters a b c d like and so on. Matrices are generally enclosed by brackets like this one, open and close brackets. These matrices are denoted by a capital letters A, B, C and so on etc. This is for some examples of matrices. A equal to 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4, 3, 0, 6. These are elements. This is B matrix, C matrix. See here, these horizontal lines are called rows. Okay, this is first row, second row and this one is third row. First row, second row, first row, second row, and vertical lines are called columns. First column, second column, third column. Okay, the horizontal lines of an elements are said to be rows. First row, second row, third row, first row, second row, first row, second row. The vertical lines of elements are called the vertical lines of an elements are called columns. First column, second column, third column. First column, second column, third column. First and second columns. Next, order of a matrix. Order of a matrix means a matrix having m rows and n columns is said to be of order m by n. This is by. This is called as read as by or cross. M cross n or m by n. In general, a matrix having m rows and n columns is represented as follows. A11, first row, first column. A12, first row, second column, and so on. A1j, first row, jth column, and so on. A1n, first row, nth column. Okay. Next, second row, first column, second row, second column, and so on. Second row, jth column, and so on. Second row, nth column. Next, this one is ith row, first column, ith row, second column, and so on. Ith row, jth column, and so on. Ith row, nth column. Like this one also mth row first column, mth row second column, and so on. Mth row jth column, mth row nth column. So in this matrix m rows, n columns are there. So that's why m by n order. Okay, in mathematical form a equal to aij m by n. Here I is in between 1 is less than or equal to, I is less than or equal to m, and j is also 1 is less than or equal to j, 1 is less than or equal to, j is less than or equal to n. Here I comma j are n. N means natural numbers. Okay. Next, types of matrices. Square matrix. A matrix in which the number of rows is equal to the number of columns is called a square matrix. Means number of rows m is equal to number of columns. Okay, number of rows is equal to number of columns. Okay, For example, this matrix have only one element, okay, one row, one column. So this square matrix of order is only 1. Next, this one is 2 rows, 2 columns. So 2 by 2. So a square matrix of order is 2. Okay. In this matrix, 3 rows, 3 columns are there. So this square matrix of order is 3. Okay. Note. See here. If A equal to Aij is a square matrix of order n, the elements A11, A22 and so on Ann are said to constitute its principal diagonal or the diagonal. This one ma. A11, A22 and so on Aij and so on Amm. Okay, Amn. So this is called principal diagonal or diagonal. Okay. Next, trace of A or trace of a matrix. The sum of the elements of the diagonal of a square matrix A is called the trace of A and is denoted by TR of A. In mathematical form, A equal to Aij is a square matrix of order n. Then TR of A equal to summation I equal to 1 to n Aii. See, this is one example. A equal to, A is a matrix, A equal to, this one is order 3. So 3 by 3, 3 rows, 3 columns is there. So that's why this order is 3. So, the sum of the elements of a diagonal of a square matrix is called a trace of matrix. So this is diagonal elements. You can add these diagonal elements, it will get 10. Okay, TR of A equal to 10. Here matrix A. So that's why TR of A equal to 10. Next, diagonal matrix. What is a diagonal matrix? If each non-diagonal element of a square matrix is equal to 0, then the matrix is called a diagonal matrix. Here also you can take a square matrix. Okay, like 2 by 2, 3 by 3, order 1. But here, if each non-diagonal element, this is diagonal elements 0 and 2. In this matrix, 2 minus 1, 1. This is diagonal elements. But what do you say? If each non-diagonal element means this one, 0, 0, this one, except principal diagonal elements. Okay, non-diagonal element of a square matrix is equal to 0. See here, this one is 0, non-diagonal element, this one also non-diagonal element, so 0. Non-diagonal elements is equal to 0, then the matrix is called a diagonal matrix. Okay, see, one note point is there. If A equal to Aij, order is n, is a diagonal matrix, it is sometimes denoted as diag of A11, A22 and so on Ann. See ma, here order is n by n means n. So that's why Ann. Okay. Next, scalar matrix. Scalar matrix means if each non-diagonal elements of a square matrix is 0. See here also, if each non-diagonal element of a square matrix is equal to 0, condition is same. But see here, and all diagonal elements are equal to each other. Okay, all diagonal elements are equal to each other. This is slight difference, diagonal matrix and square matrix. Okay, up to here same, but condition is all diagonal elements are equal to each other. Then it is called a scalar matrix. See ma, 2, 2. Diagonal elements are equal to equal to each other, and non-diagonal elements are equal to 0. Okay, diagonal elements are equal to each other. Non-diagonal elements are equal to 0. This one also scalar matrix. See, 0 is equal to 0. Non-diagonal elements are equal to 0. Okay. Next, unit or identity matrix. If each non-diagonal elements of a square matrix is equal to 0. See ma, diagonal matrix, scalar matrix and identity matrix or unit matrix. Condition up to here same, but each diagonal element is equal to 1. Here equal to each other, but here equal to 1. Then see here, underline this line, equal to 1. Okay, then that matrix is called a unit matrix or identity matrix. This identity matrix is denoted by I. Order n is denoted by in. Okay, this is order 1, order 2, order 3. In mathematical form, Aij order is n is a unit matrix if and only if, this condition is if and only if ma, Aij equal to 1 when if I is equal to j. Okay, I is equal to j. See ma here, A1 1. So first element in first row, first column. This is second row, second column. A1 1, A1 2, general form ma, A2 1, A2 2. Okay, I is equal to 0. Aij equal to 1. So 1. I is equal to j. Aij equal to 1. So A22 value is 1. Okay. Aij is not is equal to 0 when I is not equal to j. See, 1 is equal to 2. No. So 1 is not equal to 2. So that's why this element is 0. It will get 0. Aij equal to 0 if I is not equal to 0. See here also 2 is not equal to 1. So that's why this element it will get 0. See here also A1 1, A1 2 first row second column, A1 3 first row third column, A2 1 second row first column, A2 2 second row second column, A2 3 second row third column, A3 1 third row first column, A3 2 third row second column, A3 3 third row third column. This is general form of order 3. See, I equal to j, it will get 1, 1, correct? Next, I is not equal to j means 0. This element it will get 0. 1 is not equal to 3, so 0. 2 is not equal to 1, so 0. 2 equal to 2, so 1. 2 is not equal to 3, 0. 3 is not equal to 1, 0. 3 is not equal to 2, 0. 3 equal to 3, so 1. Okay. Next, null matrix or zero matrix. If each element of a matrix is 0, then it is called a null matrix or zero matrix. It is denoted by O. This is not O, sorry, 0. Okay. Sima, each element of a matrix is 0. Okay. 3 rows, 2 columns. So order is 3 by 2. 2 rows, 2 columns. Order is 2. Okay. Next, column matrix. A matrix is said to be a column matrix if it has only one column. This is only one column. Okay. Order ma, see, 3 rows, 1 column. So 3 by 1. Okay. Next, row matrix. It has only one column means, so column matrix. Has only one row means row matrix. Okay. Order 1 row, 3 column. Okay. Next, triangular matrices. A square matrix A equal to Aij is said to be upper triangular if Aij equal to 0 for all I is greater than j. See, I is greater than j. See here, second row, first column. Second row, first column. Greater than condition. Okay, it will get 0. Next, Aij equal to 0 when I is greater than j. This is third row, first column. Condition satisfied. So that's why it will get 0. Third row, second column. Okay. Next, see here, it will form here triangular form. Okay. Upper triangular. Okay. You can take here triangle shape. This one also triangle shape. See here, a square matrix A equal to Aij is said to be lower triangular if condition is Aij equal to 0 for all I is less than j. I is less than j. So, first row, second column. Condition satisfied. So, this one, it will get 0. First row, third column, it will get 0. Second row, third column, it will get 0. So, it will form a triangle shape. Here also. First row, second column. First row, second column. Okay. Equality of matrices. Matrices A and B are said to be equal if A and B are of the same order. Sima, condition. If A and B are of the same order and the corresponding elements of A and B are the same. Corresponding elements means, see here, 0 equal to 0. First element. In first row, first column, first element. First row, second column. First row, second column. Okay, this is corresponding elements. If you take A matrix of order 2, compulsorily you take B order also 2. Suppose A matrix is, you will take here order 3. You can take B matrix order also 3. A equal to B. 0, 0, 2, 2. Corresponding elements are equal. Okay. Equality of matrix means matrices A and B are said to be equal if A and B are of the same order. Okay. Same order. And corresponding elements of A and B are same. Suppose you can take here A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Order is 2 by 2. Means 2. B equal to 2, 3, 4, 5. Order is 2. Order is same but these two matrices are not equal because the corresponding elements are not equal. Okay, in first row first column element is 1, here first row first column element is 2, so that's why A is not equal to B. Okay, next, sum of two matrices. Let A and B be matrices of the same order. See condition, same order. Then the sum of A and B denoted by A plus B is defined as the matrix of the same order in which each element is the sum of the corresponding elements of A and B. Okay, corresponding elements. See example. This is A matrix, B matrix. You can take A and B orders are same. 2 rows, 3 columns. Okay. Corresponding elements 3 plus 1 plus 2 plus of minus 2. You can add this one and this one. Next, this one. Corresponding elements means same places. You can add same place elements. Okay. See, 3 plus 1, 3 plus 1. 2 plus of minus 2. Minus 1 plus 7. 4 plus 3. Minus 3 plus 3. Sorry, minus 3 plus 2. 1 plus of minus 1. Okay, 3 plus 1, 4. 2 minus 2, it will get 0. Minus 1 plus 7, 6. 4 plus 3, 7. Minus 3 plus 2, minus 1. Plus 1 minus 1, it will get 0. Okay. In mathematical form, if A equal to Aij, order is m by n, and B equal to Bij, this order is same m by n. So, then A plus B equal to result Cij m by n, where Cij equal to Aij plus Bij. See ma, this order also 2 rows 3 columns. 2 rows 3 columns. 2 rows 3 columns. It will get 2 rows 3 columns. Okay, complete. Thank you. Thank you to all.